Hello students, fourth unit of consumer behavior. We learn about the social class and consumer behavior. And today class is depend on meaning and definition and categories of social classes. First, meaning. Consumer behavior is influenced by environment in which one lives. The decision process is affected by a number of factors such as culture, social class, personal influences, family, religion, reason he lives in and his situation. Amongst them, social class has great impact on consumer behavior. But what is a social class has been described differently by different researchers. तो हमने देखा कि कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर में यदि हम सोशल क्लास को देखना चाहें तो सोशल क्लास के साथ बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें पर्सनल इन्फ्लुएंसेस, फैमिलीज, रिलीजन, रीजन, जिसमें कोई एक पर्सन रहता है तो वो सारी चीज़ें मिलकर उसकी सोशल क्लास को इम्पैक्ट डालती है. और यदि हम एक कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर की बात करें तो उसकी सोशल क्लास कई तरह की बातों से डिपेंड हो सकती है जिसको डिफरेंट रिसर्चर्स ने अपने डेफिनेशन में इंक्लूड किया है. तो हम सबसे पहले फर्स्ट कैटेगरी की हम डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. डिविजन्स विद इन सोसाइटी कंपोज्ड ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स शेयरिंग सिमिलर वैल्यूज, इंटरेस्ट एंड बिहेवियर्स. जो फर्स्ट रिसर्चर्स हैं उन्होंने सोसाइटी जो क्लास सोशल क्लास है उसको जो उनका जो व्यू था अपना क्लास सोशल क्लास के लिए उसमें था सिमिलर वैल्यूज, इंटरेस्ट एंड बिहेवियर्स. सेकंड है social class is the relatively permanent and homogeneous division in society into which individuals and families sharing similar values, lifestyle, interest and behavior can be categorized. And last, a group consisting of a number of people who have approximately equal position may be achieved rather than described with some opportunity for upward or downward movement of other classes. So students, these are three definitions of different views. Now we learn about the categorization of social class schemes. First, two categories social class schemes is first is blue collar and white collar. ब्लू कलर जिसमें वर्कर्स इंक्लूड है और वाइट कलर जिसमें ऑफिस जॉब्स वगैरह सब इंक्लूड किया गया है. एंड सेकंड लोअर एंड अपर बेस्ड इन इनकम लेवल. जो इनकम लेवल पे बेस्ड होती ऐसे दो क्लास जो है सोशल क्लास को टू कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है, लोअर एंड अपर. बट अदर फैक्टर्स आर आल्सो टेकन इन दिस कंसिडरेशन. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ इनकम को इसमें शामिल किया है, इसमें दूसरी सारी बातों को फैक्टर्स को भी इसमें इंक्लूड किया है. यदि हम थ्री कैटेगरी सोशल क्लास स्कीम्स को देखें तो डिवाइड्स द सोसाइटी इनटू थ्री क्लासेस. फर्स्ट जो है उसमें ब्लू कॉलर जिसमें फैक्ट्री एंड माइंस वर्कर्स को इंक्लूड किया है, ग्रे कॉलर जिसमें ऑफिस वर्कर्स इंक्लूड है, और वाइट कॉलर्स हु डू नॉट अंडरटेक फिजिकल वर्क जिसमें कोई भी मतलब कोई फिजिकल वर्क नहीं करते, दे आर रिलेटेड टू मेंटल वर्क. 4 लेवल क्लास का जो इसमें 4 लेवल जो है सोशल क्लास में वो है is based on level of income and divide society into 4 groups. This lower, middle, upper middle and upper class. In India also in many respects, this classification is adopted. For example, poor, middle class, upper class and rich class. अब यदि हम 5 लेवल सोशल क्लास को देखें तो उसमें इंक्लूड्स है लोअर वर्किंग क्लास, लोअर मिडिल, अपर मिडिल एंड अपर क्लास. सिक्स कैटेगरी सोशल क्लास स्कीम्स में जो सोशल क्लास की कैटेगरी जो इंक्लूड की है वो है divides the society into 6 categories based largely on income level. This classification is as under lower, upper lower, lower middle, upper middle, lower upper and upper class. There are 6 categories included in 6 category social class schemes. अब हम ये देखते हैं कि जितनी भी कैटेगरीज हैं उसमें लाइफ स्टाइल कैसे हो सकती है सोशली. तो हम ये देखेंगे कि यदि हमें एक कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर में सोशल क्लास को समझना है तो हमें उनकी लाइफ स्टाइल को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी होगा कि डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में सोशल जो क्लासेस हैं उनकी अपनी लाइफ स्टाइल कैसी है. देन नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज लाइफ स्टाइल ऑफ वेरियस सोशल क्लासेस. The lifestyle, that is consumer behavior of various social classes, differ widely. A person in lowest class is able to buy only their minimum requirement of life. In India and some other countries, there are persons below the poverty line. This class is not able to meet even basic minimum and live on the mercy of state or social organization for their shelter, education of children and meeting their day-to-day requirements. On the other extreme, there are rich elites either because of historical factors like zamindars in India or person of foreign countries who have inherited, but researchers have established that lifestyle of one social class in terms of attitude towards life, activities like visiting clubs, hotels, behaviors like are disliking of certain products and activities. Beliefs and behaviors tend to be similar. On this basis, consumer researchers segregated them in different classes. For instance, uppermost class has well established small family. They are richest persons and some of them like Indian industries run charity institution. They sponsor colleges, hospitals in their family and their name. Some of the person in these groups are top lawyers and physicians who have made name and wealth heavily for their services. Major industries, bankers, financiers, exporters, etc. Second is फर्स्ट इज न्यू वेल्दी क्लास. अब हम ये देखेंगे न्यू वेल्दी क्लास में किस तरह की लाइफ स्टाइल जो होती है वो लोग एडॉप्ट करते हैं. The second group of new rich upper class who have acquired wealth through success or business, industry or service. The senior successful top business executive drawing salary of rupees 1 lakh or more per month also fall in the group. The person in this group often believe in showing their new acquired richness. They buy higher price cars, houses, get best education for their children and get treatment in best hospitals in case of illness. This class wants to have enjoyment of life and looks for the future of their family. The next class is of high level professionals. This person do not have family status and have acquired wealth due to proficiency in their profession. Therefore, they are career oriented and their priority is to build career of their children to through best education in India or abroad. Young successful professionals, senior category, corporate executives and small scale and medium scale new businessmen feel in these groups who has come up through their education and hard work. मिडिल क्लास. हाँ, मिडिल क्लास की जो लाइफ स्टाइल है उसमें उनका लाइफ स्टाइल किस तरह से होता है ये देखेंगे अब हम. The next social class according to economists status is middle class, whose means income in India varies between rupees 7,000 up rupees 10,000 per month. Though some have higher income, they are mostly junior executive. They are white collar workers but also include high paid blue collar persons and small traders. These people have great ambition to move up and are one of the highest classes in every society. Sometimes they are called cream of the society. Lower middle class. Most of the factory workers and petty shopkeepers all in this group, and majority of them have income within range of rupees 5,000 to rupees 7,000 per month. In view of limited income, they are not able to satisfy all their demands. They try to get their children to be well educated so that they get good job when they become adult. Persons in this group are most influenced by culture and social customs. And last, poor class. It consists mainly of unskilled workers and often they work as laborers on farms, construction of houses and roads and in factories. They earn per day between rupees 100 to rupees 150 and do not remain employed year around. Often they are without work. This class is found not only in India but even in countries like USA, but their per day earning is much higher than in India but is not adequate to live decent life. So student, we learn and we study about the lifestyle of various social classes. Thank you very much.